Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. Imagine a cosmic event so rare, it's like finding a needle in a haystack. But when it happens, it's a spectacle that can be seen from millions of light years away. We're talking about a tidal disruption event, or TDE, where a star gets too close to a supermassive black hole and gets torn apart. Recently, NASA researchers discovered one such event, but with a twist. The black hole responsible for the TDE is not located at the center of its galaxy, as expected. Instead, it's an orphan black hole wandering through the outskirts of its galaxy, about 30,000 light-years away from the center. This discovery was made possible by a new search method developed by the researchers, which uses a combination of astronomical surveys and artificial intelligence algorithms to identify TDEs in unusual locations. The event itself is a real showstopper, with the black hole emitting ultraviolet light so bright that it outshone its entire galaxy for months. But what is even more fascinating is the story behind this wandering black hole. Scientists believe it may have originated from a smaller dwarf galaxy that merged with its current host galaxy, or possibly from a collision of multiple galaxies that tossed the black hole towards the periphery. This discovery opens up new avenues for research into the behavior of supermassive black holes and their role in shaping the evolution of galaxies. And, with new telescopes and observatories coming online in the near future, we can expect to find many more examples of these cosmic wanderers. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're diving into the fascinating world of astronomy, and today's middle segment is all about a beloved star that's been making headlines lately, Betelgeuse. This red supergiant has been a topic of interest among astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. And now we have some exciting news to share. Researchers have been searching for a potential companion star to Betelgeuse, and it seems they've finally found it. The companion star, known as Betelgeuse b, was directly imaged using the SPHERE instrument on the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope. This is the strongest evidence yet that Betelgeuse has a companion star, and it's estimated to be around 2 to 3 times the mass of our Sun. But what does this mean for Betelgeuse? The discovery of Betelgeuse b raises questions about how the companion star could affect the red supergiant's anticipated supernova explosion. Will it have an impact on the evolution of Betelgeuse, or will it remain unaffected? These are the questions that astronomers will be investigating further. The image of Betelgeuse b was taken in December 2024, when the companion was predicted to be furthest apart from Betelgeuse. The team used advanced post-processing techniques to detect the companion star, and the results are remarkable. While there's still a bit of doubt, the evidence is mounting, and it's likely that we'll be hearing more about Betelgeuse b in the future. The study of Betelgeuse and its companion star is a reminder of how much we still have to learn about the universe. From the behavior of red supergiants to the interactions between stars, there's always something new to discover. And who knows, maybe one day we'll uncover even more secrets about Betelgeuse and its mysterious companion. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're wrapping up today's show with a look at the latest news from SpaceX. The company's stock has been making headlines recently, and not always for the right reasons. Despite a successful test of its Starship rocket, SpaceX stock hit an all-time low on Monday, shedding nearly 30% from its market debut last month and a whopping 50% from its all-time high. The surprising drop indicates that investors are still cautious about the newly public company, and concerns are growing ahead of SpaceX's second quarter earnings report, set for August 4th. A big share unlock is also happening on August 4th, which could lead to more volatility in the stock price. SpaceX is pushing forward with its ambitious plans for Starship. However, with a goal of launching the rocket dozens of times next year, hundreds in 2028 and thousands beyond, the company is already eyeing a bigger prize, the first ever tower catch of a Starship upper stage using the Mechazilla arms at Starbase. It's an exciting time for space exploration, but also a challenging one for investors. As Wall Street urges patience, warning of progress and setbacks, it's clear that SpaceX is all in on its vision for the future of space travel. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.